This show is boring and I do not like it. Why do you look at the TV like that, Ella? Everything looks a little blurry to me today. That is not good, and we should check it. Do you think my eyes are getting bad now? We should check them, just to be safe.
Okay. I do not want glasses right now, Mom.
Do not worry yet. We do not know anything for sure. We are here now.
Yeah.
And everything will be okay.
Please sit here, Ella, and stay very still.
Look straight ahead and keep your eyes open. Can you see the letters clearly from where you sit?
Not really. They look fuzzy to me.
Her eyes are a little tired right now.
Is it serious, Doctor, or can it get better?
It's not serious at all, Sarah. It will get much better. She needs more rest, and that will help. She should play outside more and watch less TV. Do I need glasses now or not yet? No, we won't. We will watch her eyes carefully.
We will take care of your eyes together, Ella.
How was the eye check today? Tell me everything.
The doctor said Ella's eyes are tired right now.
Then we must help her rest them more.
I do not want to think about my eyes anymore.
My phone is ringing. Someone is calling me now.
Who is calling you at this time, Mark?
It is Grandpa Henry. I did not expect that. Hello, Dad. How are you doing today?
Pretty smart.
I need your help, son, and it is important. What happened, Dad? Is something wrong there?
I must go abroad for 1 week very soon.
Go abroad? That sounds very sudden to me.
I have a crop science conference to attend.
That sounds important, and I understand why.
Please take care of my farm while I am gone.
That may be difficult for us to manage alone.
I need someone I trust, and that is you.
Let me talk to Sarah first before I answer.
What does he need from us, Mark?
He wants us to take care of the farm.
A real farm? That sounds so amazing! That is a lot of work for 1 week.
The fresh air may help Ella's eyes get better.
I want to go outside more and try that.
Can you stay away from TV while we are there?
Yes, I will try very hard to do that.
Then let us help Grandpa Henry on the farm.
We are going to the farm. I am so happy. I want to bring many nice clothes with me.
Take only simple clothes that you can wear outside.
I know, like my yellow sweater.
I will choose simple ones for the farm trip.
Let us buy food for the trip before we leave.
Can I choose some snacks for the car too?
I think we have everything we need for now.
We certainly do. I cannot wait to go to the farm today.
This will be a new and special experience for us.
We will arrive soon, so just enjoy the ride. We need gas, so we must stop here.
Can we take a short break while we stop?
Yes, but stay close to us at all times.
My phone is ringing again. It must be Dad.
Please answer it and see what he needs.
Hello, Dad. We are still on the way there.
Are you closed now? I must leave very soon.
We stopped for gas, so we are a little late. But we will be there soon.
Please hurry, because I must leave soon.
We must go now. Dad is in a hurry.
Are we going faster now because we are late?
Yes, we are a little late, so I must drive carefully.
We are close now, and I can see the farm.
Just a little further, Ella.
This place is huge.
Yes, it is. We are a little late, Dad.
I am sorry.
It's quite all right.
Ella, you grew so much since I last saw you.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too. This is Rusty, and he helps on the farm.
Hi, Rusty. You are so cute and friendly.
The farm is yours for 1 week while I travel.
We will take care of everything for you here.
There are 100 sheep in that field.
100 sheep. That is so many.
Rusty will help you every day with the sheep. And this is Rascal, the most stubborn sheep here.
He looks funny, and I like him already.
He is the most stubborn sheep on the whole farm. We will watch him carefully while you are away. Thank you for helping me with all of this.
Of course. Please do not worry about the farm.
Come back soon, Grandpa. We will miss you.
That was a long drive, and I feel it now.
I like this outfit. It feels good for the farm.
It looks perfect, sweetie.
Ready for the day.
It is a sheep standing there by itself.
What is a sheep doing by itself?
Let us take it back before it wanders away.
Maybe its mother is looking for it right now.
Do not rush it. We must stay calm around it.
Mom, the sheep are running everywhere in the field.
Oh no, that is very bad for the farm. Some may escape if we do not stop them. Go get Dad right now. We need his help.
Dad, we need help outside right now.
What happened? Tell me quickly, Ella.
The sheep are running everywhere across the field.
I am coming. Let us go right now.
This is bad, and we must act quickly.
That one is escaping. Look over there.
That is Rascal. He started all of this trouble. Rusty, over there. Bring them back now.
He'll get them, Ella. Oh, I hope he can. Go, Rusty. You can do it.
It is working. Rusty is helping a lot.
Rusty is amazing.
The stove. Smoke is coming from the house. Run! We need to get there right now.
Turn it off. I need to stop the stove now.
Oh no! Be careful!
Stand back, Ella. Stay away from the stove.
It is okay now. The danger is over.
That was scary and my heart is racing.
But we handled it together, didn't we? 1, 2, 3. I need to count them all.
Why is Dad taking so long with the sheep?
Let us check on him and see what happened.
Yes, let's go, Mummy.
Dad is sleeping while he counts the sheep. Mark, wake up. This is not bedtime yet.
Can we collect eggs today? I want to try.
Yes, that is our job this morning.
Good job, Ella. You are being very careful.
What is the next task on Grandpa's list?
The grass. Grandpa said to water it today. Ha!
It looks dry, and it needs water soon.
Which key is this? I cannot remember anything. We are all wet now, and this is funny.
Let us follow Rusty. He is trying to show us something. It is Rascal again, and the sheep are eating apples.
Come back here! Do not run farther away!
Eat more, Rusty. You really deserve this food. He is not moving much now. Is he okay? He's just tired from all the work, sweetheart. The fence is broken. That is very bad.
We have to find them ourselves before dark.
Look! They are following Rascal out there.
Good job, Rascal.
Oh, he's done it!
Let us trust him and follow them carefully.
Rascal saved everyone, and now they are all back. Amazing job, Rascal. We're so proud.